Hey, so guys, it's Kitty Cass, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Bookish box. This box I chose was the t-shirt and goodies box, and I'm super duper excited because this month's theme, which was for May, is Hogwarts, a lesson in magic. So of course I had to get it because as a Gryffindor and a huge Harry Potter nerd, could not pass this up. This is $49.99 US, I believe. And yes, my hair doesn't look as bad as before. I messaged a stylist for some advice on what to do until the time being when the salon's open, which they're opening very shortly, or at least mine is opening very shortly, so I can get this monstrosity fixed. But for now, we're going to rock this dark brown blondie color. That isn't that nasty blonde that I had before. Anyways, I digress. Let's just crack this baby open, and it looks like we're opening it like this. Just an interesting way of opening a subscription box. Oh my goodness. The worms. I see the t-shirt. The t-shirt that I got last time was super cozy, so I'm so excited to try this on. I read about it in Hogwarts, A History. That's super cute, and I believe it's the same material as the other one, so I'm jazzed about that. And this is the spoiler card, so we're not going to look at that. Oh, there's a monthly pin. It looks kind of like Professor McGonagall. There. Focus, maybe. There we go. Professor McGonagall. And it looks like Peter Pettigrew is also in there, just like a little rat. But yeah, super duper cute. Hi, Simba. Hi, buddy. You want to say hi? Say hello. Yeah. You had to make an appearance, didn't you, buddy? Yeah. Oh. Scratchy. I know, they're trying to steal Salem's food, but he's okay. He's so cute. You done? Looks like we got a magnet. It is the Magical Creatures. It has a unicorn on it. That's super cool. Ooh, I think we got a candle. Patronus, Blood Orange, Magic, and Sugared Fig. Oh, that smells interesting. Simba, what do you have? The big goose. Oh, we got a keychain. Mine got a little loose, but it looks like a mandrake. And of course, you have Hogwarts on the pot. That's adorable. I think we got some art. Alohomora. And of course, the key that Harry tries to get. It looks like a book holder, but it has like Hogwarts Castle and stuff, so that's super cute. And of course, there is a teeny weeny cute little Broaden Your Minds sticker, and that's adorable. And yeah, that's all I got in this box. I did receive an email way before I even got this box letting me know that they forgot to put in a bookmark, so I'm just waiting for that to come in the mail. But yeah, that's everything that's in our box. But yeah, so that's the box. I'm really excited to get that bookmark in the mail. And yeah, please comment down below your favorite item from this box, or which class you would be excited for if you were attending Hogwarts. I'm pretty sure I'd be really interested in Potions class, just because there's such a wide range of things to learn. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye.
bum 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 bum